In this video, let me quickly show you how to use the Messenger themes. Messenger allows you to customize the look of individual chats, which means you can change the theme, color, as well as add in ingredients. So the way that you do it is head over to a particular chat that you're trying to change the theme of, and then you can tap on the eye icon on the top right. Once you're inside of this menu, you'll see the option called Customize. And straight away you'll be taken to the theme section where you can see tons and tons of themes that are already available. You can scroll through them and then just tap on the theme that you like. You're gonna see a quick preview, and then if you like it, you can tap on the select option on the bottom right and the theme will be applied to the chat. You can now also create your own theme by tapping on the create with AI option. You can add in your prompt so that a theme is created. You can tap on this dice icon on the bottom left so a random prompt is automatically added in, and then you can hit send. And a theme will be automatically created. If you like this, you can tap on the next option on the top right and it will again preview. If you like it, you can tap on create. If you don't, you can tap on the cancel option. Now, apart from this theme, you can also add in quick reactions or also add in word effects. So for example, if you select a particular word and then add in a word effect, whenever you type in the word in the chat box, the effect will start to appear. So this is also a really nice feature if you want to enable it on your chat. So that's the way that you use the Messenger theme. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.